Nature for me. Cats. Cats belong to the biological family called Felidae. A member of this family is also called felid or feline. There are 36 species of cats in this family. Their size varies to a great range from the domestic cat to the lion. They have sharp canine teeth that help them kill their prey. Fact: lion has the longest larynx and thus has the loudest roar of the 4 roaring big cats. Roots we eat. We use various parts of plants as food materials. Some plants store food in their roots and are called modified roots. We eat the roots of such plants as food. Example: carrot, radish, beet, sweet potato, turnip, etc. Fact: potatoes grow underground, but the part we eat is not a root. It is an underground stem called a tuber. Animals in garden. Different types of animals are found in the garden. A vertebrate, an animal with a backbone, or an invertebrate, an animal without a backbone. Invertebrates are mostly mini beasts, which include insects, worms, spiders, slugs, woodlice, centipedes and millipedes. However, vertebrates include frogs, squirrels, snakes and birds. Fact: grey squirrels remain active during the day, foraging for food in trees and on the ground. In the autumn, they spend time storing nuts to eat during the winter. Birds are colorful friends. There are around 10,000 species of birds in the world. They have colorful plumage and their color varies. They have different shapes of feathers, beaks and other body parts. Example: kingfisher, yellow collared lovebird, blue crowned pigeon, etc. Poisonous animals. The reptiles, arachnids or undersea inhabitants are the most poisonous animals in the world. They transmit their poison by their bite. A venomous animal injects its toxin into its victims through stingers, fangs or other appendages. Mysterious forests. A large area of land on which trees and other plants grow naturally is called a forest. There are numerous beautiful forests in the world. They cover about 1/3 of Earth's total area. Forests are very important as they provide oxygen to breathe and intake carbon dioxide, thus maintaining the temperature on the Earth. Forests maintain the water balance as they regulate rainfall. Fact: the boreal forest, aka taiga, is the largest land habitat on the planet, which runs across northern USA and Canada, southern Iceland, across Norway, Finland, Sweden, through Russia, Kazakhstan, Mongolia and northern Japan. Nature and disasters. A sudden and a serious disruption occurring over a short duration that involves human, material, economic or environmental loss is called a disaster. Disaster can be natural or man-made. Fact: the Gulf War oil spill is the largest oil spill in history, making it one of the 10 worst man-made disasters of all time. Mountains and ice caps. A landform that stretches above the surrounding land in the form of a peak is called a mountain. They exhibit steep, sloping sides and sharp or rounded ridges. Polar ice caps are high latitude areas completely covered with ice that occur in the polar regions of Earth. Ice caps lie over the top of mountains. Fact: the longest mountain range is around 65,000 kilometers long, which is 90% under the ocean, called the mid-ocean ridge. It wraps around the globe like the seams of a baseball. Water in nature. Water is transparent, tasteless, odorless, and nearly colorless chemical substance. Its chemical formula is H2O. It occurs in nature as snow, glaciers, ice packs and icebergs, clouds, fog, dew, aquifers, and atmospheric humidity. Water covers 71% of the Earth's surface. Fact: a person can live about a month without food, but only about a week without water. Marine life. There are so many plants and animals that live underwater. All the plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants, and the animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. Animals which live underwater breathe through special respiratory adaptations like gills, cilia or skin. In the same way, aquatic plants breathe through their leaves at night, and the same leaves perform photosynthesis during the day. Fact: not all piranhas are carnivorous, only flesh-eating fishes. Some are omnivores and eat both plants and animals. Piranhas rarely attack humans, only when they are extremely hungry and when the human is close to death. They are cannibals and can eat their own kind. They can also smell blood and are highly attracted to it. They are mostly freshwater species. Science quiz. Science is the intellectual and practical activity which surrounds the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiment. Modern science is typically divided into three major branches that consist of natural sciences. Example: biology, chemistry, physics, which study nature in the broadest sense. The social sciences, example, psychology, sociology, economics, which study individuals and societies. And the formal sciences, example, mathematics, logic, theoretical computer science, which study abstract concepts. Fact: ostriches can run faster than horses, and the male ostriches can roar like lions.